Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording on this device. So first you should go into the notification panel here, and then click here to the screen recording icon. Not just click, just hold for a while to launch the screen recording settings. And now just to activate the screen touches, you should click here on the switcher near the show touch operations. And just to turn off the screen touches, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.